Assalamu alaikum. This is the cross section of the spinal cord. This is composite 3D diagram. You can also say this is a schematic diagram. There is a several cross section is seen in this picture. Here is the cross section and there is a cross section of the branch of spinal nerve. So this is the outer white matter and inner gray matter. This is anterior horn of the gray matter, wider than posterior horn, and this is the posterior horn is narrower and it extends whole length of the white matter. This is the meninges of the spinal cord, spinal meninges. From inner to outward, this is pia mater, arachnoid mater and dura mater. Cranial cavity contain two layers of the dura mater, endosteal dura and meningeal dura. This is the continuation of the meningeal dura. Endosteal dura is absent in meningeal dura. Now see the pia mater. You see the pia mater also extend through the fissure, and pia mater thickened and form a important ligament, denticulate ligament. This is arachnoid matter, this is dura mater, and in between arachnoid matter and pia mater, this is the subarachnoid space which contain CSF. And here another canal is present in the center, not included in this figure, the central canal, which also contain CSF. So this is the root of the spinal nerve covered by spinal dura mater. So here the dura mater is cut and separate. So we see the arachnoid matter and we see denticulate ligament formed by the pia mater. Arachnoid matter cut and separate, and here only see the pia mater. This is the ventral root, this is dorsal root, this is dorsal root ganglia. This is the trunk of the spinal nerve. It divides into two large branches. In front, the anterior ramus, posteriorly posterior ramus. So this is all about this figure. If you like this video, please share this video and please follow me and comment, and please suggest what type of content you want from this channel. Thank you for watching.